Hello and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, what I like to do is to create videos that I would have found helpful when I first got out looking for treasure. Today's video is an eBay package, and this marks a slight departure for me. Thanks to you good folks out there in my YouTube viewing audience, I've started to get a little bit of ad revenue. Now, what am I going to do with this ad revenue? Well, it's not enough that it's like life-changing. It's not enough that it's like an actual job money, but it is enough that I'm going to start buying some auctions that are outside of my comfort range in terms of how much I pay. If I think there's something in there which is both good and a good example of something. It might sound weird, but I feel like one of the ways that I can potentially give back a little bit to you awesome folks who've been liking, subscribing, and hyping my videos is to be able to spend a little bit of money to let us look at these things in a closer way. Now, this is actually why I purchased this particular lot, and after shipping it cost me $74. There's a lot of cool stuff in this lot though, but I think this is probably gold, and we'll have a look at that. I guess we'll look at that first, and then we'll look at everything else. If you're here just for the gold, well, this is hopefully the gold right here. But part of why I paid the whole $74, which is definitely outside of what I usually like to pay for auctions. Typically, if an auction's under $30, I'll grab it. And if you've been watching my channel for a while, prior to this one, you'll see that. In this case, I hadn't seen one of these keys. And this is the reason I call this a key is because it's fashioned after the old watch keys. It used to be that watches didn't actually wind based on the piece that was on the top of the watch. You would actually like open up your watch and stick something that looked like this in there and wind it manually. The form continued on, and I haven't found a really good reason for this particular form being something that continued even after we stopped winding watches with it. But it has, and these keys are, you know, little pendants, little medallions. They're frequently school related. I have quite a few of those that actually go to like fraternities. This is the first one that I'd seen which seemed to be military related. And I'm not sure what U of IMC means. I haven't looked that up yet. But let's see. Let's have a close inspection of this. Now, what I couldn't make out on the auction, and looking at it closer now, I think this is probably just gold fill or gold plate. What I couldn't make out on the auction was this little marking down here. And it is LCB, and now that we have this in hand, I can tell you this isn't gold. It's cool, but it's not gold. Major SS Doherty. So we'll look up him. I thought that might have been like a 10 karat mark or a 14 karat mark. And if you stay to the end of the video, you will see the auction pictures for this. So you can actually see what I was looking at when I purchased this auction. And again, I have to thank everyone in my audience for, you know, the likes and the comments and everything, because it has padded out my budget enough that I can actually purchase some things like this, and we can see the auction picture and then actually see the actual object to find out, hey, is that gold? Which is, I think, one of the big value points of propositions of my channel. Now, the reason this isn't gold is you can see where the plating is wearing off. You see all this dark color, especially down here and down here. That's where the plating is wearing off. Now, I'm thinking the front isn't plated. I'm thinking the front is probably a sheet of gold, and these may also be sheets of gold. Now, you can see here where the plate's wearing off. But let's have a look. Yep. Okay. So part of why this will look good in the auction pictures, if you stay at the end and look at them, is you can see we have gold fill material. See how nice and bright and shiny that is? And how there is a distinct difference between the plate right here and this line on the top. That's because the whole face of this is karat gold, probably 10 karat gold. but it is a sheet of 10 karat gold bonded to a piece of brass, which was then, the brass was plated, but the face still looks good, and you can still see it right here because it is good. It's a solid sheet of gold. Now, I'm not unhappy with this. I think this was a good use of our money to learn about gold fill material, and also as a good example of like why I like to pay less for an eBay auction when I'm not 100% certain what's in there, which is most of the time. And most of the time when you're looking at eBay, we're not going to be 100% certain. We need to expect that the thing isn't going to be gold. This was the one piece that I thought was going to be gold in here. So since it isn't, we'll look through everything else. I think we probably got some silver, but you know what? It is still a cool piece, and I am glad to have it. And that's the other thing too, is this lot was, I think, worth the price in either case. I thought this was great. Little navy pouch. I'm not sure what's actually in it. Oh, what does it say? Oh, it's a cigarette. Your cigarettes would go in here. This is where you'd stick your Lucky Strikes. That's awesome. That's really cool. And that should be the point of this particular auction, is that even if we don't get gold, it's still really cool. Okay, so this was just to keep its structure, because we don't have cigarettes in there. That's pretty neat. The other thing that I've been kicking around in the back of my head, and you can leave a comment if you think this is something you'd like to engage in, is that I've been thinking about a Patreon, if anyone is familiar with that, for a couple of different reasons. One, as everyone who's been watching my channel for a while knows, I don't sell anything. But I wonder if this is silver. But people do ask for things, and I do have an excess of things, which you probably noticed I'm going to end up with an excess of things because of how much stuff comes in. What do we think? I think this is silver. It looks pretty good. It's got good heft to it. I don't see any markings. My understanding is the older ones of these are silver, though. And this one does seem a little bit older. I'm not sure. Leave a comment if you can tell me if this one is silver or not. I would rather not damage it. It's got good toning. It's got a good weight. Does it shine up nice? Yeah, it kind of does. Well, you folks can let me know. But anyways, on what I was talking about with the, oh, this is sterling. That's good. What I was talking about with the Patreon is I like the notion of, if you've been on my channel for a while, I have directed a few of you folks to the page where you can actually post pictures of things, and we can maybe try to identify things and help things. But the YouTube page there doesn't really work super duper well, and I miss comments, and I would like to be able to talk to folks directly. And my understanding is that Patreon has a pretty nice little internal system for actually being able to post and actually talk to each other. And I like that notion. I like the idea of maybe being able to make some exclusive videos. Sometimes there's some things that maybe would be fun to put there that only people who really like hanging out on my channel would care about, right? And then the other thing I was thinking was that it might be fun to have like a monthly giveaway, because I'm finding all sorts of cool stuff. And it might be fun to be able to say, hey, you know what? I don't need to keep these things that I'm using the advertising revenue that you folks are helping me with to, I don't necessarily, I think this is awesome and I love these things, but I don't necessarily need to continue to possess them. So it might be fun to actually have like a monthly drawing for Patreon. U.S. Naval Reserve Honorable Discharge. That's cool. Might be fun to have a, this looks like a little challenge coin. Yeah, like kind of a monthly giveaway. So the stuff that is piling up for me, maybe, maybe the monthly giveaway would be, do you want some of these cool little military, ooh, that's cool. Diver. That's an interesting pin. Does it say something on there? Does this come off easily? Not easily, for sure. But yeah, just like have a monthly drawing for anyone who's on the Patreon. Do like a $1 tier or a $3 tier, something like that. Just, enough that it gates people who really want to hang out, but not so much that it's like a real problem. And that way it would be a nice sort of enclosed space in which I could give away some of the stuff. Those are just some thoughts that I had, since we don't have any acid testing for this video, I think we probably have silver here, and we definitely have silver here. We've got some cool stuff for sure. This diving pin is very interesting. I think that's probably actually military. We definitely have, Navy, we have a Navy flyer maybe, or I'm not sure. I'm not really entirely clear on what all this is, but I do think we can look up Major SS Doherty and maybe get some clues as to what's going on here. You know what? Maybe I should do that. I've got more time in this video. So anyways, I'm going to pause the video now. It won't be any time for you, but I'm going to go look up this person, see if I can find anything interesting on them. Come back, and I'll finish out the video. And I want to thank everyone again for the success, because I really did want to touch this object. And before the channel, I wouldn't have dropped the $74 to touch this. So, let me know what you think about the Patreon notion. Let me know about any of these objects you want to help me out on. And we'll have a slight intermission for me while I look up Doherty. Well, I did some research and I could not figure this one out. Couldn't find an SS Doherty that was a major. I don't know. If you know in the comments, let me know. Maybe, you know what? I should pause and I should look up what U of IMC is, shouldn't I? Well, my little critter is home today, and every time I try to look stuff up, things get a little interrupted. He's sick, sadly. If you've been watching my channel for a while, you probably noticed some of my winter videos where my voice has changed slightly. Well, poor little buddy's got it too. In any case, I can't find what U of IMC is. My best guess might be that SS Doherty isn't like an actual major, or wasn't an actual major in the military, but was possibly a major in ROTC, something like that. I don't know. I'm not an expert on the military artifacts, but I know some folks who watch this are, and they'll probably be able to say what it is. So definitely hit the comments down below. With that, I'll go ahead and finish off this video. Let me know in the comments what you want me to do about that Patreon. And if you have any suggestions, let me know. I can't thank you folks enough for how great a community you've been. I've learned so much from you over this little over a year that I've been doing the channel, and it's been utterly fantastic. So thank you again. And for everyone who's watching the video, I hope that you've been able to learn something from this video that you can use to go out and find some treasure.
Like this, I've been Thomas.